Hello everyone. Today we have raspberry. We use Pacojet. We make an excellent sorbet. You can use the same technique for strawberry and it will be amazing. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younes. I promise you, you will love my channel. You will find everything you want to know. Please subscribe channel and make share. So easy recipe. 2 liter puree or 2 kilo raspberry puree, 10 gram or 10 leaf fresh mint, and this make really nice taste. 1 whole micro zest lemon or lime, and then you squeeze 2 size, almost 40 ml of lemon juice. One liter water, 200 gram glucose, 900 gram sugar. In case if you don't have glucose, you can use thermoline. If you don't have, there is a video how to make thermoline in my channel and it will be fantastic taste. As you see, I make all ingredients together. Raspberry puree, 900 gram sugar, 200 gram glucose, 1 liter water, 40 ml of lemon juice, 10 leaf of fresh mint. I make it in the stove, just warm or medium heat until all dissolve together. You can mix as you see. It's really easy recipe. You can use the same recipe for strawberry. Already in my channel, I have many videos how to make vanilla ice cream, cardamom, mango, sorbet, everything you name it, you will find in my channel. And if not, you just write in the comment. I'll make sure you receive it. I make all ingredients together, just boil for 1 minute. That's it. As soon as start boiling, I remove from the stove. I keep in the container of Pacojet. I keep it overnight. If you have ice cream machine, you wait until have room temperature and that's it. You use Pacojet, is so amazing. And if you use ice cream machine, it will be fantastic. You can see when it's cool down after 1 day in the freezer, I adjust my Pacojet. I give the quantity and order, start rock and roll, and you can adjust the amount, how to many scoop you want, 3 scoop, 4 scoop, whatever you name it, and it's ready. Just you can use ice cream scoop or normal scoop to make it cannelle. As you see, from left to right, right to left, and then I have my fantastic cannelle raspberry sorbet, touch of fruit, blackberry, fresh mint, 1 piece crushed meringue. And if you don't know how to make meringue, I have my video how to make pavlova, a lot of recipe to make fantastic meringue. Very simple, very tasty, and looks nice. Please let us know your opinion about our channel and which dessert or bakery you want to learn, even plated dessert. Make subscribe if this first time, make share, and most of all, tell us your opinion about our channel. Thanks for being here. I was enjoying to be with you guys. Bye bye.